Yo guys, what's up? It's Cubic VR here, and today we're in arena mode with It's Great VR. We're gonna be doing a 3v3.
Yup, so this is Cubic VR, you can go check out his channel. He'll also be recording this, so yeah, like you said, we're going to be doing a 3v3 in arena mode. Let's get started. Oh yeah, also, first team to 2 wins. Start! You join first.
Got it.
Let's go, Tino. Right, let's go. Let's
Got
go,
it.
my boy.
Alright, yeah. Best of 3.
This is my brother.
Watch out!
Go!
Dead on deer! Dead on deer!
Go on.
Come on!
Yeah, so
Oh
guys,
my
by the way,
God.
Yeah, humbled. So. What did you say? I need to reload.
Shut up, guys!
Red Knight!
Oh, this is hard. Don't let them get us, boys! Yo, what? Shut!
It was this guy.
Who can say
Get over this guy.
Yes, Mason! Bracket! Watch out!
Get him!
I didn't kill deer!
Oh God, I'm gonna get that.
Down!
Right below you! Get on this guy.
Get a load of this guy! Oh, you escaped so camper!
Why you never say something?
Yes, you were!
Oh, sorry.
You better.
Get
No,
back
I
here.
got stuck in the oars.
Ah, shotgun.
There's no way you survived that! How'd you just survive shotguns? Oh, don't let them break it!
We're almost done!
We got this. They're gonna be on defense. We gotta.
No!
They're gonna be on defense. We gotta pick them off.
Rush!
Let's go, go.
No! I killed them as well!
Okay, guys, good game.
Me and
my brother Minsu carried. Good game. Me and my brother Minsu. Let's get the second one going. We cooked up. Let's get the second one going.
Alright, let's go.
Bro, Tino, start. Right, let's get the second one going.
Don't let this be happening to us.
He's beamed. Good.
Predators. I just got gagged back. Oh my
One of them's
God.
one HP.
Yo, go, let's go!
Oh yeah. Let's go, Tino.
You break it. No, how does he survive that? Keep going, dear, keep going.
We ain't waiting.
Come on, get him!
Oh!
Almost done!
Shit! Right, we just need to defend.
Six! 6! We killed each other.
Oh god.
Ah! No! How did he survive though? Oh, he didn't. Get them, boys! Get them! Get them quick! We can't let this
They're
happen.
going both sides.
Bro, what? Get them! Get them!
Good.
One more. Oh, it's Tito.
Get him!
Just rush.
Bro, what? How did they kill him all by themselves? We won the competition! How you get it when it's broken, bro?
We won! Bro, we're just too good.
We won!
We're too good. We won the competition. Good game, good game,
Bro,
good
how
game.
you just breaking
Burn
us,
now.
bro?
You guys done good. You guys done good.
Yo, we just demolished.
won!
Yo, we
So I
did
think
win.
that's gonna be the end of the video. So, say GG's in the comments. GG's in the comments.
GG.
Good game, good game.
GG.
Everybody shake hands. Everybody shake hands. Everybody shake hands.
Let's go. Well played,
Well
man.
played.
GG. Good job.
Well played, bro.
Right, guys. I think that's gonna be
you're
the
like one
end
of
of
the
this
best.
video.
You're
Thank
like the
you.
best one on your team.
Well, yeah.
Thank you.
Yup.